Every system has designers. Roads have engineers. Networks have architects. The financial system that replaces the dollar will not assemble itself. Someone drew the blueprints. Someone has been building in the open for decades. You were just never told to look. In Basel, Switzerland, sits a bank most people have never heard of. The Bank for International Settlements. Founded in 1930, its members are not people or companies. Its members are central banks. 63 of them. The Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, the People's Bank of China, all of them sitting at one table. It has legal immunity in Switzerland. Its archives stay sealed for 30 years. Its meetings are closed. This is not a conspiracy claim, it is its published structure. When you want to know who designs the rules above the rules, you start here. In 2019, the BIS opened something called the Innovation Hub. Its purpose, to build the next financial system, and they publish the designs. Project M Bridge, a shared digital currency platform linking China, Hong Kong, Thailand, and the UAE. Live, processing real cross-border payments. Project Agora, launched 2024, 7 central banks, including the New York Fed, building a single tokenized platform for global money. At the same time, 134 countries are developing central bank digital currencies. Digital money, issued directly by the state, programmable by design. This is the architecture from the last episode, taking shape. Not in secret. In press releases almost no one reads. Governments design the currency, but private firms are building the rails, and they are very few. One asset manager oversees more than $11 trillion. Its risk platform quietly monitors tens of trillions more across other institutions. In 2024, it launched one of the first tokenized funds settled on a public blockchain. When money becomes code, whoever writes the code holds the leverage. The new system is not just public central banks. It is a handful of private architects standing beside them. Programmable money can be targeted. It can expire. It can be permitted or denied by rule. Whoever sits at the center of that network does not need to own everything. They only need to control the switch. But no architect builds without a blueprint. And there have only ever been two, one that builds power from what a nation makes, and one that builds it from who a nation owes. Remember that. It is the whole story. The architects are not hiding. They are building. The only question left is whether you are a node or a number in someone else's ledger. We have shown you the trigger. Now you have seen the architects. Next, the control layer they never advertise and the single point where it can be opened or closed.